how the rich imagine the future of human race. Watch this.
One of the things that is always unfair in this comparison is people talk about how much energy it takes to train an AI model relative to how much it costs humans in one inference period. But it also takes a lot of energy to train a human. It's like 20 years of life and all of the food you eat during that time before you get smart.
Well, not true. It has taken 3.5 billion years of evolutionary mechanism to actually make humans.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome, 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 welcome. How is everyone doing? If there is anyone here, I chew. Okay, I'll wait for a few minutes. I'll make a judgment call if I want to stream or not. Let's put on some music. Okay, interesting. What if I do this? Does this work? No music, okay. Some music. Okay, got it. Got it how this works. I'm going to set up few things while we wait. And by setup, I mean try and remember what we were doing last time. Open my notes. Figure out the repository. Figure out where we left last time. All those fun stuff. Okay, this can go here. And this can go here. And this can stay. I just need to BlockParty. Block. That was the name, right? Yeah, BlockParty. There you go. I need to quit this. I need to quit this. I need to keep this, but I'm going to do this. This should be open, but this is where I want to go. Boom, 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 boom. Dum, chicka, dum, dum. This can go. 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 Man, so much stuff open. This can go. This can go. This is fun, but this can go. I'm not sharing the screen by design because I'm cleaning up my personal windows that are open. This stays open. This stays open. I think this should just let me close this. All right. This is good. I think this is good. I'm going to open the ID. For anyone who doesn't know BlockParty, tell me that you don't know BlockParty and I'll walk you through what we are trying to build. Dum, 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 dum. Man, I'm still not up. And by up, I mean I'm still not. Oopsie daisy, I didn't mean to close this. Will this work if will I get chat messages in? I think this should be okay. I actually closed my window with the chat, but I think it should be okay. I'll wait for 10-15 minutes. If no one shows up, I'm going to just cancel the stream. It doesn't make sense in streaming. Like, I don't know. Is it fun coding, vibe coding on stream with 0 viewers? Ooh, let me change this. Let me go here. All right. I love this music. So what are we doing in BlockParty? Okay, we are trying to we are creating a living desktop app, a living desktop chat app, where using Tauri, where when someone comes online, 3D voxel type characters drop on your desktop, and when your friends chat with you, it would pop up a message on your desktop, and it'll be a very different experience. Again, I'm not sure if this is a good idea or a bad idea. I just want to make it to see how it feels. So, upload a photo. Yeah, then we also want to add like more funky features where you upload your picture and it creates a voxel character for your picture, things like that. But we'll see how it goes. So till yesterday, not yesterday, last time, what we did was how do I run this? We created a basic application, a Tauri application. Packages. I think it's npm run Tauri. I think so. Hello, Dhaval Bandia. Welcome. How are you doing? npm run Tauri, Dave. How are you, Dhaval? Okay, so it is interactive and hold Alt. This is Alt, right? Ghost mode. So now I can select. It is still interactive. Okay, now I can select other windows. Okay, this is ghost mode. Got it. I'm doing good too, man. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad you found this. So now if I go back to this app, if I press this, now it's interactive. Now we are in the app interaction. I cannot select anything else over here. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so this is working. Our next step was to block is a world to live in. So we need to set a 3D stage and one of physics floor. Your trick here is to alignment city bus screen space. Okay, copy paste this prompt to your coding agent. Okay. Let's do this. Well, we are making a living desktop chat app. Seeing how that works here. Okay, I'm going to use the new design BlockParty, right? Yeah. But I don't know how long am I going to stream. I have a feeling I started very late today. Maybe we'll just try this one and then call it a day. Another thing, I think this doesn't make sense here. There is no resize listener. We don't have window resize. So I don't know how that would work. Let's see. Because there's no window per se. Again, let's look at what do voxel characters look like. Something like this. I like it. So something like this would, ideally something like this should drop on your screen when someone goes online. I like them. These are like Minecrafty thingy. So I'm going to reheat my coffee a bit, okay guys? Just give me a second. Oh, it says it's already done. What the hell? That was fast. Ooh, there goes our box. How do I make it? Okay. I mean, yeah, we have something here. Now, let's try again. There is one box falling. That's all we have. Okay. Let's go. Oh. Contact shadow. Did you already ask? Oh, I'll just avoid it. For phase 3, connecting to Firebase for real-time party drops. But phase 3 should be simple voxel characters dropping instead of Firebase. Let's make that a phase 3. And while it does that, we are going to ask it. I wonder why it didn't create a plan first in the planning mode. Let's see what does Gemini tell us. to a voxel character, a blocky. Is that the real name? Oh, I like this. Ooh, we might have something here. Let this finish. Okay, it actually okay. You know, I have another idea with this now. Ooh, I have another idea. Cool idea. Okay, this didn't make too much of a difference, but okay, good enough for now. Let's go here. Oh, I cannot. Let's create a new conversation. Let's get this guy. Let's copy this. Let's give the whole thing and cook. I'm also passing my custom instructions to this. Sorry, I got lost in my thought. Yeah, I'm also passing the custom instructions that Gemini gives me to this so that it plans accordingly. The agent creates something for the future as well. I've been thinking once a week stream on such a separate on such a app, does it make too much sense or not? Oh, now we have a detailed plan. Customize character below multiple group box. Add element spawning. Okay. Oh, go with it. Run with it. I don't care. Yeah. Does that make sense or not? Ideally, I want either I stream more regularly or I pick up something that I can finish it in matter of few hours. I'll see. I'll think about it. Another problem is I have so many different projects going on. Like I might have committed a lot of different things, and I am not sure if that is a good idea. Should I just focus on one and get one done? That is my second thing. So many questions, so many optimizations, micro optimizations that we need to make to our life to get things working. I wonder how does my voice sound like if I talk like this real close? Does it sound like a podcaster or in India we used to have late night radio jockeys who would be very soft spoken. They'll have this rich but soft velvety voice. They're like talking. Oh, this is complete. Wait. Hi, Blocky. Look, we have a Blocky. Look, we have a Blocky. I love it. And it's animating. This is so freaking cool. This is so freaking cool. How do I... If I go here... Can I take a screenshot? Ooh, I can maybe record a video. Do this. Option. Is there a video? I think this only takes the picture, right? I need real time. What was that? Quick time player. This is what I was looking for. I want to just open it. And what I want to do is, I don't want to do this. I want to open it. New screen recording. And there you go. This is all I want. Just tiny video. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Ooh, look at this. It's jumping. Let's see. I'm recording this to... I also recorded my audio. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Good. Let me send it in my Discord. Top. All right. It's raining only one blocky. Blocky. I think it's time to add some backend to this. Let me see if I go to this. Okay, maybe this is how I test. Maybe I test it on browser. This is so cute. Add Firebase support. Firebase support via Firebase emulator. Let me do this. Give me step by step. I think I know the instructions, but I'll just let you know. Step by step instructions to set it up. Hi, my coffee is over. I need more coffee. I think I already have Firebase tools. Let me close this. Firebase. Yes, I have Firebase installed. Data connect. Real-time database and emulators. Let me see. I'll add some more. Emulators. Real-time database. Sure, Firestore rules, Firestore indexes. What is my code base in? It's in TypeScript, right? Yeah, it's TSX, TypeScript. So let's just do TypeScript. Emulator function Firestore. What the hell is real time? I don't see real time. Maybe database emulator? That's real time? Function 5001. Firestore. No, keep everything in order. Database 5000. Yes, please. 5000. Yes, please. Yes, please. Node version 22 and Node LTS is 24 LTS. Active LTS, yes. NVM install LTS. Oh, I can't type. LTS. Okay, good. Now, just to be sure, if I do this, I don't know why this is funny. All right. I think all I have to do this. Emulators start. થોડુંક ઓછું સમજાય. Okay, I'm going to ઓછું સમજાય એટલે શું એપ છે એ નથી સમજાતું કે શું કરી રહ્યો છું એ નથી સમજાતું. 5000 not open. Oh, okay. Maybe I'll use a different port. Oh, this is interactive. I need to go here and to click this and click Firebase JSON 5004. Emulator started. Perfect. See, this guy understands now what I want to do. Awesome sauce. Directing Firebase. You can eventually connect this to Twitch bot. પહેલેથી નથી જોયું. ઓકે. તો આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ કે આપણે વોટ્સએપ ને બધી ચેટ મેસેજીસ હોય, રાઈટ? એમાં કેવું હોય, એમાં આવું ઇન્ટરફેસ હોય કે આવું ડિસ્કોર્ડ જેવું UI હોય, રાઈટ? વોટ વી આર ડુઈંગ ઇઝ લેટ મી શો યુ. હા, આપણે નવી ટાઈપનું ઇન્ટરફેસ ટ્રાય કરીએ છીએ વેર whenever someone chats કે તમે મેસેજ કર્યો, when you send a message, instead of having it a chat, a character drops. See this thing? આવી રીતે character drop થાય, the characterમાં તમને chat કરવા મળે, something like that. Time pass, like just to have fun. અને that is something that will happen on your desktop. કે you don't have to open browsers or anything. તમારા ડેસ્કટોપ ઉપર એ characters ફર્યા રાખશે. તો just as a fun interaction. So that's what I'm trying. And we are using AI agents for coding. Oh, I can press shift key. Oh. Hey, space. Oh, yeah, there you go. Ooh. There you go. We have more characters. Okay. Okay. Update the add features so that randomly run around on the desktop. Oh wait, let me commit this because this is working. This is working. Git status, git add, git commit. We have voxel characters. Git status. -t8us. Git push. Now I want to add okay. I need to close them for a second. Thank you. Add following features. Features to the voxel avatars. One, we want them to like run around the desktop. Walk around, not run, walk around so they are manageable. Two, add facial features. No. Add facial features. Add feature so that I can drag and drop them. And on the desktop. This, when I drop them, it should follow the physics. After that, so we already have Firebase installed. So after that, we'll add it to the backend and see how it goes. And then we'll add chat bubble. Okay, we are getting somewhere. Let me see if I have organized my notebook and tasks. I've just created this. That is good enough. I think I need more coffee, so just give me a second. Okay, I'll be back. I am just going to say, yeah, proceed with the plan. I trust you. Did it work? Did it work? Is it working? I wonder what happens. Let's do this. Yeah, it has eyes. Look, it has eyes. Why can't I add more? Oh, look. What is this? What is this? But maybe. Okay, that doesn't work. How do I enable it? There's now an overlay button in the bottom right corner to toggle the random. But I cannot click the overlay. Can I? How do I click it? Open. Okay. Ooh, can I push mode? Go here. Interactive. I cannot pick them yet. I cannot pick them. What the hell? The reason I want to pick them is if I'm working, I want to like pull them on the side. Let's see, can I do that on the browser? Oops. Nothing I can do about. It's raining, man. Hallelujah. This guy dropped on top of him. That is so funny. Okay, this is good. I'm just going to say it. The random multiple issues. Random walk toggle is not readable. I am not able to click. Again, let me try one more time. Let's go here. Right. Oh, okay, I understand. Let's minimize this. Random walk on. Oops. I minimize. Thank you. Push mode, interactive mode. Okay, it's not clickable. Interesting. This part is still a bit finicky, but we'll figure out later on. I didn't want to do that. Okay, good. I have not done anything. Where is my chat? Chat, yes. Random walk is on. The avatar are not walking around. Let's see. You will now see a sudden surge in productivity because now I have coffee. That too. Can you see the coffee? Yeah, that too, black coffee. Oh, come on, baby. Yummy. Actually, I was going to just stream for some time if I had no viewers. I still ended up streaming for almost an hour. If I get I'll see. Okay. So I need to restart. It is restarting. Where are the characters? Where are the characters? What did you fix? You spoiled everything. I don't see anything. Let me restart and try again, just to be safe. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Now let's go back. Random walk is on. I cannot undo the random walk. Okay. I cannot also pick him up. See? Interesting. Okay, hover over the avatar. Okay, let's see. Ooh! Oh no. I can't. Even the random walk is not working, and this is not working. Okay, let me try. It's slowly working. But I think we'll revisit this feature later on. I want to add this. So let's create. Oops. Let's create a new chat. No, what is my emulator running on? Local 5004. Okay. Use database emulator. Database emulator is 5003. Let's see. Once this works, we can call it a day. I miss my regular buddies. But the another cool idea that came from this was I can create a nice voxel character like Clippy, like Microsoft Clippy, that stays alive on my desktop, but it's AI. It can access the active window on my desktop and answer me questions based on those things, and listen to like hot word detection and all those cool things. Like a rubber ducky debugging method or like a Clippy, it stays there. But it's on top of all the windows. So if I'm watching this and now if I change the window to this, it can read the contents of this window. Wouldn't that be awesome? I need to note that down somewhere. Where is the thing? Okay. that would be a good thing, right? I mean, it's still it's dumb, but it's fun to do that. That's my thought. I mean, in an ideal scenario, like if you're thinking about clean experience, right? You don't want anything on your screen other than things that you want to focus on. So in an ideal scenario, it might just be a toolbar icon, an invisible window that always knows what is on your screen, something like that. And you can continue from there. I like that idea. I'm more of a visual guy, so having an avatar on my screen, that would be super awesome. And then in that case, a voxel, we call it voxel, right? Whatever, yeah. It makes more sense in having a more realistic avatar than the voxel characters. Okay. I can also do this, right? And access this on my browser right now. Yeah. But it's not fun working on browser. Ooh, it's done. Create a use brightness. Take a look at other work from empty to full work. When you make sure your fiber it is. Ooh, why there are two characters? I don't get it. Okay, so now if I go to real-time database, okay, why is it using this database? I don't know. So how do I test? Oh, does this mean if I go this is so confusing. Okay, 3 characters. Oh, so for every window I create, there is another character that it creates. So if I do this, so let me just to avoid confusion, and I'm going to put this. So right now there are 3 characters, right? Now if I do this and go here and open this, there will be one more character. There you go. I don't think the characters are consistent, which is okay. But we have 4 characters jumping around, which makes some sense. So few thing is this, why is my Firebase emulator. Oh, okay. I see that now. Users. If I do one more, bar, save. There you go. It is connected to my Firebase. Okay. 1, 2, 3. What are this? Okay, username player. Interesting. Makes sense. This is so cute. Okay. Alright. So here is the thing. I think mostly I've been streaming alone. And it's not fun. Especially if I have to keep talking. It's harder to keep talking without any kind of feedback. I think I want to end the stream right now. And starting next stream, I'll try to come in early. I need to think about how can I stream more regularly for such projects. And how can I, come early so that my folks from India can join. Yeah, because if I'm playing a game, a video game, it's fun to live stream playing that video game. But if I'm doing just this coding, it's not too much fun. Okay, sorry, I started thinking about the app. Yeah, so I think I'm going to call it a day. Not maybe, but I'll try my best. Like starting next stream, I'll come in a bit early, and I'm trying to think what's the best way to stream regularly for me. Like I just joined a new company, so my timings are like I'm still like ramping up there. Anyway, let's try one more thing before we go. So I'm going to ask this guy to create a prompt for me so that we can drag and drop, move the blocks around. Let me commit this. Firebase integration. Status. Push. Before we do comic bubble, write me a prompt that that instruct the agent to make the array to the following. Slowly move around on the screen. This should be a config driven feature so that I can toggle it. Allow me to pick up avatar and drop anywhere in the screen so that it, while following the physics of it. if these two things work perfectly, then we are very close to, because after this it's just chat bubbles, right? Assuming, so chat bubbles are just regular HTML chat bubbles with like text box to input text and all. Assuming that works, it should be that is the easy part. Adding let's say Telegram or WhatsApp or Twitch or YouTube. I don't know about YouTube, but Twitch to it, it's a easy part. Having these blocks is the complicated part. I need to sneeze. Did I commit? Yeah, I think I committed. I need to sneeze. Ow. Yeah, this is what we are interested in. This is what we are interested in. I'll also do this. Generate detailed agents.md for this project. I think it should help future agents work faster, better, more efficient. I also want to start using Codex. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Yeah, this is the last feature. After that, I'll call it a day. Unless someone chatty comes in and accompanies me in this adventure. Is it using the skill? That is a question. Because it has access to all the skills. Other thing is, maybe I can, like I said, I have so many projects, pet projects working on. Maybe I can stream regularly and pick up a project that I'm working on anyways, and not a new one for the stream. So like the plan to automate pick and drag mechanism, global data store. Okay. Do stand store. Okay. Wander logic. Okay. Apply impulse at random intervals when enable random walk is true. Okay. Interesting. Let's see. This is a better plan than what it did earlier. Where was I? Yes. So like the BlockParty, it is something that I am doing exclusively just for the stream, right? Which is fun. The project and the idea is fun, but I think it slows down the progress if I'm streaming just once a week. Maybe I pick up a project that I'm anyways working on. That way, every week when I stream, we see a lot of progress done, because I'll be working on even during the weekdays, like a couple of hours here and there. And or I can also stream regularly. I mean, every day. I want to do that. I really want to do that. It's just, how would I set that up, you know? Maybe from March. That's what I'll do. It's all about timing for me, unfortunately. Did it create how? I'll also add a few lines of the BlockParty. Oh, I can't edit over here. Is that the case? Okay. Does it explain what is a BlockParty? Okay. This should be good. Good. Why does it show it's still running? Ah, this is stupid. Ooh, the blockies. I like that name. The blockies are fully upgraded. Okay. Disables gravity. Ooh. Zero build error detected. Okay, I'll be the judge of that. I mean, I won't be the judge of that, but okay. That doesn't prove anything. Ooh. Ooh. Why can't I pick them up? What the hell? Let me push mode, bring them down. Okay, the walk mode is on. Aye. Interactive walk mode I cannot toggle. I don't know why, and I still cannot pick them up. See what I mean? How do I pick them up? Was there instructions on that? When the user is in interactive mode, clicking and holding a Voxel avatar disables the gravity. Okay, avatar strictly follows the... Okay. Usually wobbles. Okay. Let's come back to interactive mode. Clicking and holding. Nothing is happening. No, nothing is happening when I click and hold. Click, hold. Nah. Nothing. Let me try in browser. Let's go to the browser. Localhost 3000. Nothing is happening. When I click and hold, nothing is happening. When I click and hold, nothing seems to be happening. Fix it. 10 times fix it and then it'll fix it. I wish these agents were smart enough that it needs to test stuff on its own. Because on one trigger triggers Handle pointer up, refactoring to pointer, capture the on pointer out, buggy mechanism. Oh, do whatever you want to do as long as you fix it for me. So anyone who is new to the stream and just watching and chilling, what we are trying to build is a living desktop chat app, right? So if you see these avatars over here in the bottom, these are not in the stream, these are on my desktop. And use it right now. Okay, let's see. Let me go to interactive mode. Nothing. Random. I cannot. It seems to be changing to text selector. See when I do that, I cannot pick. Ooh, something happened. Oh man, these are too many. Okay, close this. Interactive mode, nothing. Okay, I think it's the text selector that's causing this issue. Still not working. When I click the avatars, the mouse pointer changes to text selection mode. So what was I saying? Yes, so the BlockParty app is a living desktop app. Where is it? Yeah, so all these characters that you see, these are on my desktop, and the idea is that when you chat with each other, so instead of a regular chat interface like WhatsApp or Telegram or iMessage, these characters drop in on your desktop. They walk around and you can directly click on them and chat with them and things like that. So that's what we are trying to build, just for fun, and see how it works. Oops. Okay, it might have restarted. Oh, it is running build, okay. Okay, give it another try. That I will. Let's give it another try. Ooh. I can't. I cannot do anything to them in interactive mode. This is nothing. Why? I see I am in the BlockParty app. Nothing. Nothing. Not working. For sure not working. Still not working. In interactive mode, I am not able to click or select anything. Feel free to add log messages on events to debug, and I'll let you know what's happening. I'm now nudging the AI to see how to debug. It keeps getting this error. Model produced what? See? Should I change the model to Claude now? I save my Claude's tokens for other work. So that's why I'm just using Gemini over here. Plus I wanted to test Gemini 3.1, so. Did it add any? Added some console log statements to the on pointer, down and pointer. Could you preview? Could you open the failure capture? Okay. Hey, Prath, welcome. So tell me this, Prath, why do you come and say happy birthday every time? Are you like planning to say it every time so that one of the times if it's correct? Ooh, how do I clear this? There is a clear. Okay. Warnings, logs. I don't see the up and down or anything. Right? Yes, okay. I do not see anything. I can't even talk. Okay, I think that is the thing. Oops. I think the transparent overlay is following the flex. I do not see anything in the console. I should have taken the screenshot. Oh wait, what happened? Okay, I need to do this. How do I close this? What the okay, there it is. Thank you. Now I want to do push mode. I want to go here. I don't know who opened this browser. I don't know. We'll see. I do not see anything in the console. Also, am not able to toggle the walk mode. Why are there Minecraft figures on the skin? Oh yeah, that's the BlockParty. That's the app we are building with a chat app with Minecraft like characters, where everyone who chats will be represented by a Minecraft character on my desktop. Do you want to play games? Yeah, maybe one of the days. I have another gaming channel as well, which I am not streamed in a while. I am working towards setting up my scheduling and all, where I can do everything I want. Right now I am only able to do 3 things or 4 things that I want to do. So gaming is one of those things that I want to do in future. We'll play Minecraft, man. I want to learn. I tried playing it once, but I dropped after that. So we'll play. We'll create a nice Minecraft server for all of us to play around. You hit the nail on the upper point. Okay. Let's see. Let me shut this down. Let's start. It's raining men. Hallelujah. Okay. Still nothing. Inspect an element. Okay. Let me close this. Let me try it on the browser. Go here. Drop. Inspect. Let me clear this. Still nothing. Nada. What's your Twitch? My Twitch is Captain Logicus. For gaming. I don't have a Twitch for this. Oh, these are the shadows. Oh, nice. Okay. Let me refresh. Let me send it the screenshot. And tell, I still don't see anything. These only messages I see. And you know what? Instead of screenshot, I'm going to do this. I think this is more helpful. Tan hates it though. Tan hates Minecraft. And Tan hates everything other than chess. So what other games do you play? And we are in a coding channel. We all of us are nerds. Fall Guys over Minecraft mostly. Ooh. Do you stream as well? True nerds rise. Oh, not okay. See, error editing. I don't know why it keeps getting errors editing. I think that is. Maybe I can use my own brain a bit. Let's see. If I go to this, not this, if I do this, this is the main events. There is a new pointer events. What is this? If I delete this element, everything goes away. Where is our guy? It is still thinking. Canvas engine. Let me do inspect here. What is this? Oops. What? There's this hidden div. Can I? What is this hidden div doing here? Nothing. Oh yeah, there you go. Let's see. If I add a z index 9999999. Now can I toggle it? Yo, code guy. Roblox. Will I join if I type? No, not yet. Right now this is the only thing it does. Let me show you. It drops. Oh, it's building right now. Wait. But yeah, it drops characters on the desktop. And that's all it does right now. We want to get a working version of that, and then I'll link it. Maybe I'll link it to Twitch chat, because I know linking to Twitch is easy. I don't know about YouTube, but we'll see. Another test, okay. Music is loud. Ooh, no one told me before. And you guys showed up so late. I was about to call it a day. Is this better? Man, see, this is the thing. I cannot click on them. I cannot click on these jackasses no matter what I do. Let's try on the browser. How are you doing, Code Guy? How's life? Is the music okay now? It's still no clicks. No errors, but no clicks. Still no clicks. Don't use Discord on phone, it lags a lot. I don't use, okay. Timur, where do you live if you don't mind? I live in one of the most awesome countries called Canada. Canada. I live in Canada, man. Look, all these guys jumping. How would it drag and drop? How would the AI getting dome? Okay. Wow, where do you live, Prat? You are in US somewhere, right? Code guy, what project are you working on nowadays? And somehow I don't get notifications for your streams. I don't know whether you're names. What names? You are not using. Oh, I'm using anti-gravity. Here you go. The anti-gravity is trying to debug the issue right now. It's fun to watch that happen. Me, I'm preparing for another. Oh, okay. So you haven't streamed in a while? Maybe that's why I'm not getting notification. Look how cute these guys look. Yeah, I quit for now. Oh, okay. I think the main issue with interacting with them is we have a UI layer on top of our existing layer that for the transparency, and I think that layer is blocking our events. And the figure, I know, you know what, that was my long-term thought. That's right now on, like, if you see on the live streams, every person that joins has a character. The character keeps walking around and all that. But let's say you gather enough points by watching the stream. Now you can challenge other player to a fight, right, for the points, and then you can use Twitch commands to fight each other. That would be freaking awesome if something like that is possible. I was also thinking that these, like the commands, they would go like you type your commands in order, in like one chat message, and it should, it's like turned by, it's working. Walk mode on off is working at least. So let's say you are fighting, person A, person B is fighting. Then person A can type 5 commands, person B will type 5 commands, and those 5 commands will translate into 5 actions like punch, kick, fireball, blah blah blah, and then they will alternate and see who wins, something like that. Are the characters too big? They are big for the browser window. I think we can manage the size for sure, but in our case, we are going to have it on our desktop, right? So let's see how it looks. Ooh, oh, this works. Yeah, to me. Oh, using Three.js, yes. So now let's try it on our desktop. Let me restart. Let's see. So this is not a browser anymore. Oh my god, look at them. Now if I... Ooh, yeah! Wait. Let's go. Guys, let's go. We have a working version. I can put this here. 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 Move this here. Move this here. Oh, this is so cool. And then I can also toggle off. So now no one will move. I don't know if you can see it over here, but on the... Oops. Oh, I need to move my window. Oh, what do you use to make it? No, Tauri. 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 This is so fun. This is dumb. But on the right over here, there is a button that can toggle how whether the characters are moving or not. So if I toggle off, now no one will move. I can just move them here, but they won't jump around. But if I say toggle on, now they'll move. That's so cool. Oh, I like it. Git status, git add, git commit -m. We can, I don't know, we can drag and drop. All right. I like it. So funny. Let's go to the next step. Yes. Let's do comic bubble prompt. But I want it below are my requirements. And 2 kinds of notification. Comic bubble and no by default. Let's see. two kinds of when a message arrives. When a message arrives, there is an exclamation mark. How do you spell exclamation mark? Top of the avatar. When I click on the avatar, the comic bubble opens up. Link this to the Firebase. So link this to Firebase with the Firebase and design nice design the DB for it. What else do we need? So when the message comes in, it shows the exclamation mark. When we click on it, it turns into opens up with a nice animation. Maybe the text animates like typewriter. You know, like in some games when you play, the text animates like that's what I want to. So by default, it's the exclamation mark. When you click on it, that's what you want. That's the technical term for it, right? So when the message arrives, exclamation mark. When I click on it, nice animation with the comic bubble. Empty UI element for me to respond to the message. We also want to link it to Firebase, but I am not able to think. Like I don't want to spend too much time thinking of the DB design right now. I just want something that works, so that ideally we can, to test it, we can type messages from a Firebase emulator and it does what it does. So let's see how it goes. This is exciting. We are getting closer. I told you once I drink coffee, things improve. Let's see, this is the schema for the agent to implement. Users, user ID, tick. Okay. Okay. I also want this. Okay, this is good. It doesn't talk about, doesn't say. We either say schema for the agent to implement. Below is the database. Okay, I'll just add that. Let me create a new chat window. Add this. Below is the suggested extension to the Firebase database DB schema. Let's see the schema, right? So it's There are users, a user ID, and then messages. So messages from this user ID. Okay. Okay, makes sense. Before I send this, I want to make sure, yes, everything is committed. By the way, code guy, everything is in a public Git repo, okay? So feel free to play around with that. Okay, that's right. Got it. Okay. Yeah, everything is in the repo. Here is a Kubis BlockParty. Okay, I'll also add it to my GitHub description. Okay, implemented. Floating this, please review. Okay, let's see. What is the plan? The plan outlines dependencies. You say React. Okay, shows and hooks and shows and hooks. Alright, proceed. Go with it. Run with it. How do I? Okay, stream settings. This is where I GitHub. Save. There you go. Added it to my GitHub as well. Okay, now I'm excited about this. This stream was a roller coaster ride. So when I started, there was no one in the chat, no one in my stream. So I thought, okay, I'll end the stream after 30 minutes if no one shows up. Then I started making this, then I developing this, and something cool things started happening. So I kept pushing. Now I'm almost 2 hours in, and we have achieved a lot. So it's amazing. But mostly after this feature, I'll call it a day. Most probably. Let's see. Only concern I have with this app right now, let me show you what I am trying to say. Yes. Okay. The only concern I have with this app right now is that see this menu, like it's not too readable. It's and if I want to move from interactive to ghost mode, it's once you know it's easy, but then maybe it's easy. Maybe I'm thinking too much. I will think about productionizing it later on once we reach that state. But that's the plan. Like, let's say after this works, what can we do to test it live? And maybe that's something we can do it next stream. I need to create a Twitch account for this to work. I'm liking Tauri. That's pretty cool. So another idea we got from this code guy was that where are the avatars? Where did they go? Oh yeah. So imagine instead of Okay. Imagine instead of so many avatars, we have just one little bit bigger avatar. Oh, I cannot do. Little bit bigger, something like this big, right? Just one such avatar on our screen, which is hooked up to our very smart AI app, and it interacts. It's like Clippy, but for your desktop, and it can access your live window. You can ask questions about the window to it, and it talks to you in chat and voice, whatever you want, and like a rubber ducky for you to look at things, to understand things, to debug things. Wouldn't that be cool? I like it. Ooh, we are done. I've completed the messaging notification. Created this. Designed this. Prevented random wandering. Okay. You can verify by creating a method node for the active blockies. Okay. Where is emulator? So let's say this users. So we have users. Add child. Okay. Does this work? No, this will create a no. Add child. Okay. So, okay, let me edit this. I want it to be a JSON. No. Remove. Okay. Let's close this. Let's start. So we have only 2. Let's look at only 1, yeah. You stand here. Okay. I want to see what do I need to create to test this. Open Firebase. /messages /user ID. Okay. How do I create /messages? No, don't remove filter children. Add child field messages. So that didn't work. So this is /users. If I do /messages, okay, messages is going to be a JSON. Save. Delete value from it. What is happening? Map. Okay. Oh, I need a user ID now. Let me duplicate this. Duplicate. /users. There you go. We have the user ID. This is what we need to create, right? /message /user ID. Okay, messages /user ID. JSON. Paste. Nope. Copy. Paste. Save. Ooh, Did you see, guys? Let me do this. Let me go here. Let me interactive mode. See this? It has exclamation mark. Let's see. Ooh. It's not ideal, but it's still there. Hi. Does it save hi back to this guy? Oh. Ooh, there is also a reply. Oh. Funny. Okay, so now if I go to... No. How do I add more messages? Ow. Okay, you know what? Let me just make it easy for all of us. Add a Next.js page. Let me do this first. Git status. Git add. Git messages, first draft working. Add a Next.js page that allows me to select users and add messages for testing. So basically, instead of me struggling with the emulator, which UI is very meh, this would make it easier for us to just go ahead and test it. Admin testing page. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Good. The good thing about AI is I make some ridiculous, dumb, half-baked request and it still gets most of it correct, which is a good thing. Let's see what page is it creating. Admin. Now I can go here, admin, and then we'll get to see. Okay. Really, this is your... I need to restart maybe. Come on, man, make a better page. You're supposed to be smarter than... Choose a user. How do I... If I want to fix this, then there's another issue. Just right now I was praising the AI. Okay. The admin page is not usable at all. Hard to read. Cannot access UI elements. Got to go. Streamer, have fun. All right, Prath. Thank you so much for stopping by, man. Thank you. Have a nice Sunday weekend. Make sure it doesn't okay. Create a different layout. I think I don't want to use this. Create a different layout. Since this is just for testing, and I don't want to break existing Why is this still running? I thought this was finished. Okay. After we have the admin page, I think after that we'll call it a day. I know I've been saying that since I started the stream, but then I started having fun, so I don't even know what the tune is. I don't know why I'm singing. Rewriting it with pure inline stuff for guaranteed. Okay. There you go. Yeah, see, it's still the elements of that. I cannot. Our home. Yeah, so what's happening is the same overlay that we have for this guy, right? That is affecting the admin page as well. I think so. There are no errors or anything. Let's see. There's this huge thing. See overlay. This transparent overlay. I just want to test this. Do more dictionary. I think I'm afraid. I'm glad I had committed the changes in. I'm afraid it's going to it's going to break the global app just to fix the admin app. I'll override. Okay, it's smart enough to just do it for the Come on, baby. Okay. So let's see. So this is working. Okay. If I go to admin page. All right. Hello. Send notification. Alerts. Never use alerts. Oh, see this? Oh, let me do this. See this cute guy over here? But I cannot click it because I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this. And now I can click it. Okay. Okay, we are getting there. We are getting there. How are you? Then now if I click on this guy, here you go. This is what I wanted. I'm going to put it here. Click it. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say, okay. Oop. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to go there and I'm going to say, admin page works perfect now. But the notification and the chat is ugly. Hard to read. Fix it so that the chat box is not transparent. And its location is above the avatar. Once this is done, I'm going to call it because I'm even hungry. Comic bubble aesthetics. We are almost there, guys. We're almost there. Okay. Let's see. It says it has updated it. Let's close this. Let's run again. Have a bunch of blockies drop. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah, see? Yay! Now we are going to do this. Drop in here. Okay, thank you. Now I'm going to go here, refresh this, and paste in a long Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum. Thank you. Thank you. Man, give me just Lorem Ipsum. Thank you. Let's see how it looks. Thank you. Now if we, oh no, before we do this, I'm going to minimize this. If we go here, yeah, see this guy has a message for us now. Let's see how it looks. It looks like a comic book. I mean, not a, oh, but it's okay. Thank you. Oh, that is so awesome. So for longer messages, I think the window needs to grow up and grow wide instead of So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Okay. Thank you. Ghost. Oh, we are getting there, guys. Let me also keep committing. This is great, but for longer messages, the chat window overlaps the avatar. Fix it so that the chat window grows in height above the avatar. Man, this looks so cool, right? This is so cool. So since this is HTML, right, we can fix it. Oh, it's there. Oh, awesome. Okay. Let's minimize this. Let's see. This guy has a message. Oops, nope, didn't mean to do that. Go to this. Click this. Let's see. Okay, let's give it a benefit of doubt. Let's restart. What was the thing? Yeah, since it's HTML based, it still happens. We can also have it render images, videos, all those things. Yeah. Yeah. That didn't fix it. Getting there. One last try. The chat bubble still grows. Covers the what was so it can render markdown, it can render images, GIFs, videos, it can do everything. So now the possibilities increase, right? It's so freaking cool. Okay. Give it another try. Okay, if you say so. Select the app. Click on it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I like this. I like this better than thing. Now the only thing is the window width was. Oops. Let me take a better screenshot for this guy to understand. Yeah. Yes. Almost there. Add a max height. Also fix the width. After last change, the chat bubble is smooshed. But this is cool. I know people hated Clippy, but I don't know. I like something like the having an avatar like this on my desktop. Like not it's this large and intrusive. Something that silently is there, interacts. I think that could be my next project. Oh, there you go. So maybe also bring the origin a little bit. See, the good part is not this. The good part is, see, it travels with it, dances. Ding, 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 ding. I like that. Oh, I wanted to take a screenshot of this. Ooh, let me do this. I'm going to send a long ass message. Okay, thank you. Okay, now next one has it. Let me close this. Okay, this is good. This is cool. Did it stop? Okay, no, it's okay. Then it's a scroll. So I want to bring this chat bubble slightly closer to the avatar and add auto scroll. That should do it. Bring the chat bubble slightly closer to the avatar and auto scroll when the text is too long. I'll be back, guys. Just give me a minute. Did it do it? Did it do it? I think it did. All right. Now it's scrolling. There you go. This is so cool. Who is up and watching the stream? Actually watching. This is so freaking cool. We have a avatar talking. It's a nice look. It looks like a game, comic book, like a thing. I cannot. Oh, what happens if I? Okay, let me bring this here and I click on this. Ooh. Everyone is talking. See, the best part is this. Oh, this is so cool. Man. Alright. Look, this can be the whole new... Yeah, this could be the whole new notification system for you. This could be a delightful... Oh man, I can connect it to a AI that summarizes things for me. Maybe an AI that monitors my other apps and keeps telling me the status. Oh, this is so cool. There's so many things that can happen. And it's fun to do that. I'm not saying this is the efficient way. It's the fun way to do it. Like a nice, pleasant experience way to do that. Oh man. Oh boy. Oh, this is so cool. Now the thing is, how are we going to test it? I need to think about that later on. But this is so good. Let me record a video for our Discord viewers who didn't... Oops, I need to do this. I need to close this. Hey guys, you missed an amazing where we built this. We can also add TTS to it. Nice little block party where you can chat with your friends literally on the block. Alright, so let me close this. Let me close this. Let me minimize this. Go here. Where is real QuickTime? Okay. I don't want this. I just wanted to screen recording. Awesome. Increase the width a bit, maybe this bit. Now go here. Ooh. I'm just recording it for some of my friends in Discord. So yay! Look at that. That is so cool. OMG. Oops. Good job. Nice. Oh. Oops. Can you watch it? Okay, this is awesome. I'm going to commit the changes. Look at that, that is so cool. Finally, we have a working version. I'm going to send it to Discord right now. Which one do I send? This one. All right. So we have this amazingly working version. So now the next phase is this. Avatar pipeline. Yeah. Yes. Phase 4. I already have a simple placeholder admin page that made it easy to add messages to test the chat bubble. I think something like that. But the thing is, now how would I test it? How would that experience work? Right? If I'm a user, I'll create my avatar. But then I won't have my avatar running around in the BlockParty. But maybe this is what, like my avatar, right, will be there. I can see it, and it needs to stand out from rest of them, and it also needs to like behave a different way when I'm responding to, like, you know, things like that. So it's still there, and it will have its own menu options, things like that. Okay. But yes, this is again a huge feature set. I think I'm going to call it a day right now. I'm going to think about how to implement this. Right? I think our avatar could be the entry point for everything. So if there's nothing running in the BlockParty, we still have our avatar there, right? You can click it. It shows the menu option to start the BlockParty, to enable, disable features, things like that. So that avatar is the entry point for everything, and it just stays there. That is a cool idea. I don't know how do I document that thought yet, so I'm going to maybe do that offline. And next time we are going to build that. Next time we are going to build our avatar over there. That will be fun. Or maybe let me just prompt this. Here are my thoughts. the AI avatar pipeline will create the avatar for me, the main user. The user for me, the user each user will get access to such pipelines. This decides how would I look in my friends' clients. BlockParty pipeline. When I launched the app, only my avatar drops on the desktop. Now my avatar will be the entry point to everything in the app. Which means I can additional menu options, show, hide, BlockParty, etc. can be triggered by clicking the avatar and it shows the menu. Also, if I get notification in the BlockParty and the BlockParty is hidden, the avatar reacts. What else? What else can it do? In my friends view, yeah, that right? Does that make sense? I think PID for this, and I think we can break it down into multiple phases. Yeah, I think that would look really good. Okay. This will do it next time. I have a general idea, but this will do it next time. As usual, the code is in the repo. Feel free to download it, play around with it, see if you can add more cool features to it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for joining, Prath, Code Guy, everyone else. I saw there were a few users who were silent. Thank you so much for joining silently. Even having someone there watching helps with the morale. So thank you so much for doing that. Hope you have a great day ahead. I'll see you all next time. Till then, adios. Take care and stay safe, guys. Bye. Oops. And I still don't have an end screen. So I'm just going to